How to fix Mecca Chameleon failed to get online interface? For this first step, right click Task Manager, search for stream. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Search it and end the task. The next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means click allow another app, click browse. For easy method, right click Steam, click open file location, copy the address. Top side you have the address, copy it, come back, click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Scroll down and click Steam application. Click add in the bottom side. I already have so I skip it. You need to click add. After that, make sure you should enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. After completing, come to next step. Search for command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text. ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. The next command ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew. Click enter and wait for a couple of seconds. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. The final command exit it. The next step, the run stream as administrator. For this, right click stream, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. After completing this last and final step, need to open up stream file location. In this, if you have any caches file means you need to delete the caches file, search it and delete the caches files and folders, close it and click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset or reset the network. Thank you.